Hi YouTubers! Today I wanted to profile two of my favorite products off of my retail website shop-saguaro.com. So the products are the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner, and this is a product I've been using for about a year now. It has large teeth and small teeth to clean your brushes. The second product I'm going to profile is a package of Bohemian Tats or Boho Tats. I've been wearing these guys for probably about 10 years or more. This pack is 5 years old and there's so many that come in the pack. I'm going to show you how to put one on today. So those are the two products I'm going to profile. Let's talk about the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner. Okay, so you've got a gross hairbrush. This is my wet brush that I use daily, and you can see all of the yucky sort of built up hair in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner. I'm going to take the small side and I'm just going to go ahead, and you guys can see that, pulling off all of the hair. So gross. What I love about it is, look at that. Remove it in one pull. That's what I love about it. It's super fast and it keeps your brushes clean. And then I'll go back and I'll follow through with the big end. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm just going to follow through and just finish up cleaning my brush off. And it literally will remove every single piece of hair you have. Maybe one or two at the end. And there you have it. A nice, super clean brush. And that is the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner, and you can find that on my website under the Tools and Supplies collection. The next product I'm going to feature is these Boho Tats, and I'll show you guys. This is how it is. I kind of ripped the package because this guy, like I said, is 5 years old, so I haven't need to buy him. I'm on my last couple of sheets, but look at those cute designs. Isn't that neat? And you can put that up on your arm here, wrap it around, whatever you want to do, but tons of cute stuff. Today, I'm just going to use one that's really easy. You can see I've already cut out those guys and used them. I'm just going to grab this little design right here, and we're going to use that one. So this is how you do it. So you take your scissors and you cut out the design you want. And you always want to start with dry skin. So I didn't put any lotion on my skin. And then you're going to take that plastic backing and peel that backing off. And you can feel the tattoo is a little bit tacky. And this is an old tattoo I put on last week, but I love wearing them and I always get so many compliments on them. So I've got right here a dish with a really sort of soaking rag, or washcloth, not a rag. And I'm just gonna squeeze out the extra water, but it's somewhat damp. Still leave some water in there because you need that water as a vehicle to make the tattoo stay on. So here we go. I'm just gonna stick it on my skin. I'm gonna stand up. And I've got my teddy bear timer, and he's set for 1 minute. And I'm just gonna take that washcloth and kind of hold it on there, and my timer is starting. And we're just gonna press that on for 1 minute. And thank you to all my YouTubers who have subscribed to my channel in the last couple of months. It really means a lot to me. When I started my channel a year ago, I started out with 25 subscribers, and now I'm up to 155. So my goal in having my channel is just to come on, show you these neat products. I'm just a small time channel. I'm not trying to grow super big. I just want to show you guys some neat stuff that I come across in my beauty and my hair world. We got about 24 seconds left. And this is what I do. I kind of just press it back and forth. You can probably just hold it in one spot. But I love the tattoos because they're temporary and I get a lot of compliments on it. It kind of goes along with my little branding at the salon and on my social media. But here we go. The beeper's going to go off. Okay, that's 1 minute. Isn't that cute? A little tattoo. So super fun, and they last about a week. And like I said, make sure that you put it on very dry skin. So don't put on lotion if you plan on wearing these. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And we've got the hair puller by Olivia Garden, and then we've got these really neat Boho Tats. So check those out when you get a chance. Bye. when you order temporary tattoos from my website, this is what the new packaging looks like. On the back, if you need further instruction, it's listed there. And I'm going to go ahead and go through all 8 sheets that are in this package so you can see what it is that you ordered. And forgive me if I don't get the correct names right to the particular type of artwork. I'm an artist, but I'm sure there's an expert out there somewhere, but I'm just going to go through them. So this is a beautiful, gosh, I don't know what that is, maybe East Asian design. And here's some more. You can see the real pretty detail work on that. This would look nice on somebody's shoulder. And you can turn them any which way you want. I'm holding it up close so you can see the detail. Here's some beautiful geometrics. Those are going to be fun to wear with a nice smoky black eye. I could visualize that. And then here's my favorite boho stuff. I like the arrows. I wear that one a lot. Here's some more feathers. Feathers is a really big part of my branding, so I'll be wearing those for sure. And here's some nice, I like to cut these in half, and I wear them on my wrist here, or I wear them a little bit higher up on my forearm. Those are really fun. I have to say that's the favorite sheet for me out of this pack. And then right here, there's some necklaces. And if you don't want to wear the full necklace, I always just kind of split them and wear these little designs somewhere on my arms or my hands. But that's it, you guys. That's what it looks like when you order the new packaging for my temporary tattoos. Enjoy!